I tested 5 AI business models for 30 days. One made me $2,847 in passive income. You've seen the hype, but this isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. I've spent years building online businesses and wanted to see which AI models actually work. I rigorously tested 5 of the most talked about AI business models, breaking down setup, tools, challenges, and results. This is a practical, hands-on guide for real entrepreneurs. By the end, you'll know which model fits you and how to get started. Grab a notebook. Let's dive in. First up, the AI Content Creation Agency. This is a business model that's rapidly gaining traction, and for good reason. It combines the power of artificial intelligence with the ever-present need for high-quality content. We're going to break down exactly how you can launch and scale your own agency, leveraging AI to streamline the content creation process. Businesses need endless content. Blogs, social posts, emails. Every company, regardless of size or industry, needs a steady stream of engaging content to attract and retain customers. Content marketing is no longer optional. It's a fundamental part of doing business in the digital age. It's a pain point. Creating all that content can be incredibly time-consuming and expensive, especially for small businesses with limited resources. Many business owners find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of content required to stay competitive. With AI tools like ChatGPT-4 and Jasper, you can deliver content faster and cheaper than traditional agencies. These tools can generate high-quality drafts in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer, significantly reducing production costs and turnaround times. This efficiency is a game-changer for businesses looking to scale their content efforts. But you're not just copy-pasting. Your value is in editing, fact-checking, and matching the client's brand voice. AI-generated content is a great starting point, but it still requires human oversight to ensure accuracy, relevance, and consistency with the client's brand. This is where your expertise comes in. Start by picking a niche. Don't try to serve everyone. Trying to be everything to everyone is a recipe for disaster. By focusing on a specific industry or type of business, you can tailor your services and messaging to better meet their needs. I chose blog content for small SaaS companies. This allows me to develop a deep understanding of their challenges and opportunities, and to create content that resonates with their target audience. My tech stack, ChatGPT-4 for writing, Grammarly Pro for editing, Surfer SEO for optimization. These 3 tools form the core of my content creation process. They allow me to generate, refine, and optimize content quickly and efficiently. SEO-optimized content is a huge value add. By optimizing content for search engines, you can help your clients attract more organic traffic and generate more leads. This is a key differentiator that sets you apart from other content agencies. For clients, I used LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find SaaS founders, then sent personalized Loom videos showing how AI could improve their blogs. This personalized approach is much more effective than sending generic emails or cold calls. By showing potential clients how you can specifically help them, you increase your chances of landing a deal. This approach landed me 2 clients at $500/month each. That's $1,000 in recurring revenue with just a few hours of work per week. This demonstrates the potential profitability of this business model. The retainer model means predictable income, not just one-off gigs. This provides financial stability and allows you to plan for the future. Knowing that you have a consistent stream of revenue coming in each month takes a lot of stress out of running a business. Once you have a few clients, you can hire VAs or editors to handle the workload, making it more passive. This allows you to scale your business without having to work more hours yourself. By delegating tasks to others, you can focus on growing your business and generating new leads. My costs? About $50 for software. This is an incredibly low overhead, which means you can keep more of the profits. The low cost of entry makes this a very attractive business opportunity. Time? 5-6 hours a week after setup. That's less than a part-time job, and you're making a full-time income. The flexibility and freedom that this business model provides are invaluable. The key: position yourself as a premium agency using AI for quality and speed, not a cheap content farm. Emphasize the value you bring in terms of strategy, editing, and optimization. Clients are willing to pay more for high-quality content that delivers results. Be transparent. We use AI to draft, so our editors can focus on strategy and creativity. Honesty builds trust and helps clients understand the value you provide. Explain how AI enhances your services rather than replacing human expertise. Margins are fantastic. AI is your main employee for a flat fee. This allows you to scale your business without significantly increasing your costs. The high profit margins make this a very lucrative business opportunity. Recap: niche down, build a simple tech stack, use smart outreach, and focus on scalable systems. These are the key ingredients for success in the AI content creation agency business. By following these steps, you can build a profitable and sustainable business. In 30 days, I made $1,000 in revenue with a clear path to more passive income. This demonstrates the speed and potential of this business model. With consistent effort and a strategic approach, you can achieve similar results. You don't need to be a top writer, just a good editor and business owner. The ability to manage projects, communicate effectively with clients, and optimize content for results are more important than being a literary genius. This is one of the most accessible ways to start an AI-powered business. The barriers to entry are low, the potential for profit is high, and the demand for content is only going to continue to grow. This is an opportunity that anyone can take advantage of. Next, automated AI chatbot services, one of the hottest trends in customer service. Chatbots handle customer queries 24/7, qualify leads, and book appointments, no human needed. Your job: build and manage these bots for businesses using no-code platforms like VoiceFlow or ChatFuel. Start by understanding the client's needs. Do they want lead capture, FAQs, or appointment booking? I targeted local gyms, which often lacked instant answers on their sites. I built a gym chatbot template in VoiceFlow that answered common questions and offered free day passes to capture emails. My sales pitch: a quick video demo showing how the bot could help their business. Pricing: a one-time setup fee plus a monthly retainer for maintenance. In my test, I signed one gym, $400 setup, $75/month retainer. After setup, maintenance took just 30 minutes a month. Imagine 10, 20 clients on retainer, recurring, nearly passive income. Standardize your process with templates for different industries to scale fast. Focus on selling business outcomes. 24/7 lead capture, instant support, not just a chatbot. Recap: pick a niche, use no-code tools, create templates, and structure pricing for recurring revenue. My first month, $475, with strong passive income potential. Third, let's explore the AI-powered print-on-demand store. This is where artificial intelligence meets the world of e-commerce in a truly innovative way. We're not just talking about a simple online shop. We're diving into a business model that leverages the power of AI to create unique designs, automate processes, and ultimately, generate passive income. It's a modern twist on a classic model, taking the traditional print-on-demand concept and supercharging it with the capabilities of AI. Traditionally, POD stores often struggle to create a sufficient volume of unique and appealing designs. The need for constant fresh content can be a real bottleneck, requiring significant time, effort, and often a team of designers. This can be a major hurdle for solo entrepreneurs or small businesses looking to break into the market. AI changes that dynamic completely. It democratizes design, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their artistic background. With powerful AI art generation tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, the possibilities are virtually limitless. You can effortlessly generate endless, high-quality designs tailored to your specific niche and target audience. Forget about creative blocks or relying on expensive designers. AI empowers you to become your own design powerhouse. And the best part? You can achieve all of this in minutes, not days or weeks. To get started, begin by conducting thorough market research to identify a profitable niche. This is a crucial step that will lay the foundation for your success. Don't go generic and try to appeal to everyone. Instead, focus on a specific segment of the market with unmet needs or interests. In my own experiment, I chose to focus on fantasy botanical illustrations, a niche that combines the beauty of nature with the allure of fantasy art. Mastering the art of AI prompts is absolutely key to unlocking the full potential of these tools. The more detailed and specific your prompt, the higher the quality and relevance of the resulting design. Think of it as providing instructions to a highly skilled artist. The clearer your instructions, the better the final artwork. Using well-crafted prompts, I was able to generate dozens of unique and visually stunning images in just an afternoon. This is the power of AI at your fingertips. To ensure the highest possible print quality, I then upscaled the images using Topaz Gigapixel and seamlessly uploaded them to Printify, a leading print-on-demand platform. Printify seamlessly syncs with popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy, making it incredibly easy to start selling your designs. Let's take a look at the process in action. When a customer places an order for one of your designs on Etsy, Printify automatically handles the printing and shipping of the product directly to the customer. This means no inventory to manage, no packaging to worry about, and no trips to the post office for you. It's a truly hands-free business model. In my own experience, I was able to list 50 unique designs in just 2 days, showcasing the speed and efficiency of this approach. And after that initial setup, the entire operation ran almost entirely on autopilot, freeing up my time to focus on other projects. Now let's talk about the results. In the first 30 days, I achieved 12 sales, generating $225 in revenue. This translated to a profit of $80, all within the first 30 days of launching the store. And the best part is that this income was entirely passive after the initial setup. Remember, the more high-quality designs you list, the greater your potential for sales and revenue growth. Think of each listing as a digital employee, working tirelessly around the clock to generate income for you. To effectively scale your AI-powered print-on-demand business, focus on batch creating designs and uploading them consistently to your store. If needed, consider hiring a virtual assistant to help with tasks such as prompt generation, image editing, or product listing. This business model is perfect for entrepreneurs and creatives who may not possess traditional art skills, but are eager to tap into the power of AI. In this context, AI is not a replacement for human creativity, but rather a powerful collaborator, augmenting your abilities and expanding your creative horizons. Let's quickly recap the key steps to building your own AI-powered print-on-demand empire. First, find a profitable and underserved niche market. Second, dedicate time to mastering the art of AI image generation, learning how to craft effective prompts and refine your designs. Third, leverage the power of print-on-demand platforms like Printify to automate your production and fulfillment processes. And finally, scale your business by consistently adding new designs and exploring opportunities to expand your product offerings. As demonstrated by my own test case, generating $80 in passive profit within the first month is entirely achievable. And this is just the beginning, with clear potential for significant growth and increased earnings as you continue to refine your skills and expand your store. Fourth, AI-driven stock trading bots, the riskiest model here. Disclaimer: you can lose money. Do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. AI trading bots, once exclusive to hedge funds, are now accessible to individuals. You can build your own, complex, not recommended for beginners, or use pre-built bots from platforms like Tickeron or Trade Ideas. I chose a reputable crypto bot platform, allocated $1,000, and picked a conservative strategy. Set up Connect your brokerage via API, allocate funds, and let the bot trade. Monitor performance, but it's mostly hands-off. In 30 days, my bot made a series of small trades, some wins, some losses. End result, $1,052 profit, or 5.2% in a month. High risk, high reward, and very passive, but not for the faint of heart. Only use capital you're prepared to lose, and research platforms thoroughly. Recap: high risk, high potential reward. Use trusted platforms. Start small, and understand the risks. My cautious test 5.2% return in 1 month, but results can vary wildly. All right, let's dive into the model that truly delivered. The one that brought in $2,847 in just 30 days. This wasn't just a fluke, it was a repeatable strategy, a system that leverages the power of AI to create something valuable and sell it effectively. I'm excited to share the details with you, so you can replicate this success. It all revolves around AI-generated digital products. The core idea, the spark that ignited this whole process, was to create and sell digital products. Things like ebooks, online courses, templates, and guides. All the things that people find useful and are willing to pay for online. But here's the twist: using AI to dramatically accelerate the creation process. Instead of spending months crafting a product, you can leverage AI to do it in days or even hours. This is the key to scaling your digital product business. The first step is to pick a very specific problem for a well-defined niche audience. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Focus on a small group of people with a particular need. Once you've identified that problem, use AI tools to build a comprehensive solution. Think of it as creating a tailored remedy for a specific ailment. The more targeted your solution, the more valuable it will be to your audience. So, what was my product? It was called the AI Artist's Prompting Handbook, a detailed guide specifically designed for helping people use Midjourney to create stunning art for their print-on-demand (POD) businesses. It's all about leveraging AI to unlock creative potential and generate income. To create the handbook, I primarily used ChatGPT-4 to outline the book's structure and draft the initial content. It was like having a super-powered writing assistant that could generate ideas and text at lightning speed. I also used Descript for video editing to create some supporting video content for the handbook. And I relied on AI voice tools for quick audio fixes and enhancements, ensuring a professional and polished final product. The prompt library, which is a crucial part of the handbook, was meticulously curated through extensive hands-on experimentation. I tested hundreds of prompts to find the ones that produced the best results. When it came to sales, I kept things simple. I built a clean and effective sales page using Card, and I used Gumroad to handle payments and automated product delivery. Now, let's talk about marketing. My strategy was to share a valuable free mini guide in relevant online communities. This mini guide acted as a teaser, showcasing the quality of the full paid product and linking back to it. This freemium model proved to be incredibly effective. It built trust with potential customers and significantly drove sales of the full handbook. So what were the results? I made 98 sales at $29 each. That translated to $2,842 in total revenue, with over $2,700 in profit after deducting Gumroad's fees. The best part is that after the initial setup, sales started coming in daily, and it required virtually zero extra work on my part. It was truly passive income in action. The upfront work took around 40 to 50 hours, but now it's a genuine passive income stream that continues to generate revenue month after month. So what's the secret to this success? It's simple. Solve a real specific problem for a clearly defined audience. The more precisely you can identify and address a need, the better your chances of success. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Niche down, focus your efforts, and you'll see much better results. Specialization is key in today's crowded online marketplace. Let's quickly recap the key steps. First, identify a specific pain point within a niche market. Then, use AI tools to create a digital solution that directly addresses that pain point. Next, sell your solution on a platform like Gumroad. Finally, market your product by sharing valuable, value-first content that builds trust and attracts your target audience. This AI-powered digital product strategy was a clear winner for me, generating over $2,800 in passive income in just 1 month. And the best part is, it's a repeatable model that you can adapt to your own interests and expertise. There you have it, 5 AI business models tested over 30 days. Each has unique pros and cons, but all are accessible right now. The key is to take action, not just watch. Which idea resonated with you? Let me know in the comments. If you want more deep dives on building AI businesses, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your own AI-powered journey. See you in the next one.